Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jean Marlin Gray. Take care always and God bless. Thank you po sa mga suporta niyo sa amin sa clones and more blessings sa inyo. God bless you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy Menor birthday po sa iyo, Miss Jean Marlene. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at maayos na kalusugan. At sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw ng birthday mo at maging masaya at magpasalamat siyempre kay God na nagbibigay sa atin ng buhay natin. At thank you so much sa pag-support niyo po sa akin, siyempre sa amin lahat ng mga clones. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless po. Bye.
Hi, hello, Jean Marlin Gray. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come, more blessings, especially good health. Ingat palagi. God bless you always. Kita-kits soon.
Hi there, Nas Poblete here, aka Jose Marichan Clone, JMC 2.0. And I would like to greet a very happy birthday to Ma'am Jean Marlene Gray. Ma'am, a very happy birthday to you, and I hope that you have more birthdays to come. God bless you, and please always support all of us clones. Again, Nas Poblete here. You have a good one. Bye-bye now.
Ayan, happy birthday po, syempre. Ma'am Jean, happy birthday. Many birthdays to come. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.
Thank you.
Happy
Nahuli
birthday.
din kita dito sa clowns. See you soon
Enjoy everything that this life has to offer. Alam ko busy ka sa birthday mo, but I will be with you in spirit celebrating your special day with you. So I do hope na ma-fulfill lahat ng mga nasa isip mo, ano man yan, whatever fantasies or mga pangarap pa sa buhay. Magkikita-kita tayo lagi. Of course, meron na tayong connection, di ba? Not just through online, but ito na, personal na to. God loves you, and I love you.
Isang cute na Freddie Mercury.
Happy birthday!
Yes! Thank you.
Thank you.
Si
Happy
Aka.
birthday, Freddie Mercury.
I just want to greet a very happy birthday to Jean Marlin Gray. Maraming salamat po sa inyong constant support at sa constant niyo pong pagsubaybay sa aking singing career po. And I wish you good health and more blessings to come. And that sana po one day po ulit magkasama-sama po ulit tayo and makita ko po ulit kayo sa aking mga concert or gigs in the future. Muli po, maraming salamat and a very happy birthday to you.
Jerome again from Elvis Presley. Ay mali, from the clones.
Yes! Thank you!
Okay, so to our beloved Ate Jean Marlin Gray, happy birthday po. I hope that you enjoy this birthday and I hope that you have many more to come. And I hope that all of the incoming birthdays and all of the birthdays that you're gonna experience are all happy and all of them are love-filled and blessed by God. Okay?